Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel, Fixed Fly Travel. If you guys love aircraft maintenance or pretty much just like what you see, go ahead and subscribe, like, or comment below. I very much appreciate it. So the other day I had a job that I thought was pretty interesting and I wanted to share it with you guys. I had to change out the HEPA recirculating air filters on an Airbus A321. I originally mentioned it on Instagram while I was doing the job and talking with people, and one of the questions I did ask was, what does HEPA stand for? And let me tell you, many people answered it and many people did get it right. HEPA stands for High Efficiency Particulate Air. And these filters are so important because they remove small particles from the cabin such as smoke, dust, lint, pollen, and any type of infectious materials that could be traveling throughout the cabin air. Because of this, because these filters are so important, it's also important that we wear our PPE when dealing with this. So in the video you will see me wearing goggles that have foam around the outside of them. I'm wearing a suit that has a hood on it. I'm wearing a mask over my face and gloves. I'm always wearing gloves, and especially in this one I double glove because the first pair of gloves I'm using is to handle the filters, and then once I'm done in removing the filters I take those gloves off so I don't really contaminate my tools too much with much of the stuff that might be living inside of the filter. With that said, these filters, they are located inside the forward cargo compartment on the aft wall. If you take down the panels right there, and you can crawl inside, and they got their own little home over there. But yeah, so it's a quick job. There's not a lot that goes into it. It's literally just removing them and then putting them back in. And if I'm honest with you, I will tell you that the hardest part of this job is literally removing the panel and putting the panel back on. Because when you put the panel back on, you got to make sure that all the holes align for the screws, and that can be a headache on its own. But yeah, so that's a little bit about my job for the other night. So without further ado, here's the video that you guys have been waiting for. Bye. Oh, real quick, before I forget, this video that I created is not in affiliation with my company whatsoever. This is me doing it on my own to educate you guys a little bit about aircraft maintenance. This, even though you will see the name of my company within the video, this has nothing to do with them, and on top of it, thought I should mention to you guys, this is all being done according to the paperwork and my AMM. And previously, before removing any of the panels or even started filming, I pulled all the circuit breakers. Once I was done, I pushed them all back in and made sure it worked, and yes, it did. So now, without further ado, the video. Bye.